Good, better, best. Never let it rest till that good is better and your better is best. Dr. Jim and Coach Kim getting ready for the best workout ever. It's going to be body weight moves. It's going to be all timed, plus an awesome stretch. This is a great senior workout. Remember, always check with your doctor before starting any exercise routine. And the very last move, Jim, it's going to be your favorite. All right, Coach Kim and Dr. Jim, excited to give you body weight moves. We're going to be doing 6 exercises. All you need your body, Jim, and those of you watching. And we're going to time it for 40 seconds, followed by a static type stretch. So just hang along with us. If you have a cane near you, you can use that. If you don't have a broomstick or an umbrella as an option, just use your arms. So the first move is going to be a step touch. So Jim, I'm going to hold that. You're just going to go step, touch, step, touch. We're going to do a little dance here. Let's get ready. 40 seconds and go. Step, touch, yes. And make sure you have some good shoes on. So it's just one step. There you go. So step, touch, step, touch. Put a good song in your head there. What kind of music you like, Jim? Some rock and roller?
Dancing music.
You want some dancing music? No. You've got halfway. Awesome. And Jim's 80 years young, and I have to tell you, you have done fabulous with your workout routine, improving balance and strength. And he's always been great about cardio conditioning. He goes for his walk every day, but make sure you're doing something every day. And this workout can be done every single day. Get ready and rest. Jim, we're gonna flow right into a hamstring stretch. That's the back of the leg. So let's put that right leg out. Bend the back leg slightly. Flex the foot towards you. Keep the leg straight, both hands on the knee. Do you feel that in the back of the leg? Mm-hmm. Okay, hold that for roughly, I'm gonna say 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're gonna switch to the other side. Yep, so flex that foot. Keep the legs straight, and the tight hammies get tight. We do too much sitting. Everything seems to get tight. Your hips get tight, so I'm gonna be opening those up on this workout too. And stand nice and tall. Now, if you have your umbrella, a cane, a stick, a PVC pipe, put your hands on top, arms straight, put them wider than your hips there, Jim. Keep your arms straight, and this is the little pullover exercise, great for shoulder mobility and posture. Ready? Let's lift it all the way up. Yep. And if you could go up as high as getting those biceps to the ears, I've got 40 seconds on you here. That's great. And some of you might say, hey, Coach Kim, I can only get to here. That's fine. Do what works for you. All the way up. So we're opening up the shoulders, the upper back. Those of you that play golf, this is a good one for you too. You're halfway. Up, up, up. Good. And I like how you're standing tall. The tummy's nice and tight. Movement's medicine, motion is lotion. Those of you that have been watching my videos, you know I keep repeating that because there's a lot of truth to that. Let's get one more up and rest. Jim, we're gonna do a little deltoid stretch. Your deltoid is your shoulder. So I want you to pat yourself on the back like this because you're awesome. Cup your elbow with your other hand and gently pull it towards you. And you're gonna feel that right there. And those of you that pickleball, tennis, golfers, racquetball, these are great stretches for you right here, getting the shoulder. Now let's go ahead and switch sides. That's it. And just a gentle pull. Stretching is slight discomfort, not pain. And hold that for a couple seconds. And that's 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, so Jim, if you need to hold on to something, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna start with what's called an outer leg lift. So for 20 seconds on one side, and then we'll switch sides. And this is great for the hips. So stand nice and tall. If you don't have a cane or you're worried about your balance, you can always use a wall or a chair. Sturdy chair. Ready? Here we go. Out and back. So out. There you go. Keep the legs straight. It's gonna help strengthen the hips. Whoop, whoop, I got you, Jim. Out and back. So 20 seconds each side. We got you covered. You don't have to think, you don't have to count. We got the timer kicking, and switch sides. Good, I've got you.
Well, this is my better.
Yeah, I can tell. And see, that might be with you all too. So he has one hip that's a little bit wonky more than the other. You're doing great though. 10 seconds. And don't beat yourself up or be hard on yourself if your body's not cooperating. Do what you can. And rest. Good. So I'd like you to take that stick or the cane. You're gonna hold it directly above your head like this. Put your feet nice and wide. Yep. And then we're gonna go to the side. Just a gentle, just a small little move, and then go to the other side. And just hold that stretch. Good. Now Jim is, yeah, I know his shoulder mobility is limited, but if you can get that directly above the head, that'd be even a little better. One more, and hold, and bring it back down. Good. Awesome. So that's a nice little stretch for the shoulder and the waist. Kind of feel it in different places. All right, the next one's we're gonna turn around. If you have a wall space, this would be great. You can use the back of a sturdy chair too, but let's go ahead and put your hands on the wall, Jim, facing that way. They get to see your best side here. All right, his legs are gonna be straight. He's kind of at a slight plank like he's gonna do a push-up. But what Jim's gonna do is lift up one leg behind him, keep it straight, squeeze that back porch, that's what Jack LaLanne calls the back porch, bring it back down and alternate. There you go. Some of you are going, who's Jack LaLanne? Clock is on. He was the godfather of fitness. Up. So, I could go on and on about Jack LaLanne, but just let me know he had his first TV show on fitness from 1951 to 1984. I'm gonna bring Jack back. So this is working the extensors right through here, the lower back and the butt. This is all connected. Okay, so we gotta keep this body flowing. 40 seconds, you're over halfway. Nice. And those of you that might have some back issues going on, just strengthening it and stretching, it's amazing for most of you how it will really help you. Let's get a couple more. And rest. Now hands up a little higher on the wall, Jim. We're gonna do that stretch I told you about. Feet under the hips, hands up higher than your head. He's gonna stick his butt back, keep the legs straight, and just tuck the chin, and he's gonna feel this amazing stretch. Do you feel this, Jim, through the shoulders? Good. He's gonna feel the sides of his back, his lower back, a little bit of the back side, and just hold and marinate. You're not thinking about pork chops, are you? No, you are thinking about marinating in this beautiful stretch. And hold it, that's 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, Jim. Last one of this series before we start again. You're gonna take that right foot, you're gonna step out front, back to the middle, side, back to the middle, behind, back to the middle. We're gonna do 20 seconds on one side of those and then 20 seconds on the other, okay? All right, here we go. So right foot up, back to the middle, side, and then behind. Good. Lots of stuff going on in the brain, lots of body-mind connection here. Good stuff. And this will get easier and easier the more you do it. Yep. Up. And let's switch sides. Here we go. Left foot front. Yep. For you all, right foot. Just mirror what we're doing. You're not just watching this, right? You are doing it with us. It's important. Out. And you're going to find that every day it's going to get easier. You're going to get stronger. You're going to feel better. And rest. Good. One foot in front of the other. This was my favorite I was talking about earlier. It's your favorite now. You're gonna put one foot in front of the other. Jim, have you ever done yoga before?
Nope.
Oh, he's getting a yoga stretch. Reach up, up, up. Oh, yes, I told you this is just gonna be your favorite one. Just say yes, it's your favorite one. Oh, there you go, good answer. Okay, put your your weight heavy on that back heel, and you're gonna feel this open up the hips, the calves. There's lots of good stuff. Balance. And let's switch sides, okay? One foot in front of the other, nice and wide, 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 a little wider if you can't get that back heel flat. Good, straighten out that back leg, reach tall like those, you just put your fingers way up high, there you go. Hold it, hold it, hold it, keep your stomach tight, and that's 3, 2, 1. Jim, we've done one round of this series, we're getting ready for the next one. Are we ready to rock and roll?
Yep.
Okay, we're starting with just the step touch. Okay, put some Bee Gees in your head, let's go. Ready, set, and make it happen. Side. That's it. So it looks like this. Step, touch, step, touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Okay, step, touch. So right here, Jim, follow me. Step, touch, step, touch. Step, touch, step, touch. It's all right. Hey, he's moving, and that's what matters.
You know why I always failed dance?
That's okay. Doesn't matter. You don't fail. Failure is an event, not a person. Just remember that. Good, keep going. And rest. I like that way. That actually was fun and that worked just fine. All right, hamstring stretch. We're gonna put that right. Let's put that right heel out. We're gonna stretch the hammies. Chest up, lean down, flex your foot. That's it, hold it right there. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yep. We're here to move and have fun at the same time. You know that? This isn't an exam. It's not a pass-fail. And that's 3, 2, 1. Stand tall. Good. Now we're going to go back grabbing whatever piece of equipment you were using before. Hands on top. Feet shoulder width. Arms stay straight. Remember your hands are a little wider than your hips. And let's lift it directly above the head. Ready? Here we go. Yep. all the way down. Look at that. Opening up some good stuff here with the shoulders, the upper back. Love it. Whoo, mobility, that's so important. We're our most flexible, I believe, between the ages of, what is it, 4 and 8 or something like that, something very young. And I can guarantee that every single person, or most of them, are over that age. So we gotta work on flexibility is my key and my point. You always feel good when you stretch. Even animals stretch, right? It's a natural thing to do. Another one. Perfect, good. Now I'm actually gonna do a different stretch with you than we did on the first set. I think you're gonna like this one, Jim. Put your feet nice and wide. Yep, and you're gonna take your right hand on your left wrist like this, and you're gonna do a pull like that. Yeah, so a gentle pull, pull it over this way and hold it. That's it, and I like how this hand is pulling, so it's getting a little deeper stretch. And switch sides. Yep, and gentle pull, try to do it directly over your head knot. There you go. And bring it back down. Good. Okay, so now we're getting ready to do the outer leg lift. So 20 seconds to each side. You're gonna take one leg out to the side, Jim, just like we did earlier. Ready, set, and go. Out, back, good. So this is working what's called the abductors, which are the stabilizer muscles to the knee. Very nice. And again, as I mentioned before on the first set, you can use a chair, a sturdy chair, or a wall, or a cane. That's it, or none at all. And let's switch sides, okay? This is your better hip. I know that's what you told me before, yep. So the standing knee is nice and soft. That's it. I got a nice surprise coming up for you, Jim. This is gonna be a different stretch than we did on the first round. And rest, good. So on this stretch, it's really good. It's gonna get that IT band too. You're gonna put left foot over the right. If you wanna put the cane in your right hand for balance, left foot over the right. Whoops. Okay, put your right hand here. You're gonna take your left arm and you're gonna lean. Whoops. Wanna use the wall? Take your left arm and lean over my way. Yes, that's it, that's it. Hold the stretch. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Yep. Now, if I wasn't here with you, Jim, I'd have you do this on the wall. You're gonna put your right foot over, yes, and lean over right there. So you're gonna feel this in the IT band too, which runs from the hip down to the knee. And that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, let's go ahead and bring it back. Perfect. All right, we're moving on to the hip rolls. Hip rolls, you're gonna put your feet wide. I love, love, love this one. Hands on the hips. And this is the one where you're gonna go forward like this. Remember, forward, all the way forward, back. This is gonna be your favorite stretch too. Next to that yoga one. Up and roll. Why? Because it's getting that lower back moving. Get the blood flow. Now reverse the angle. Yes. That's it. Let's do another one. Okay. Then go back. Yes. Beautiful. And that's fine. I notice you're doing like, there you go. You want to do 1 and 1 or 2 and 2, doesn't matter. And go back. See how your lower back and your hamstrings are getting involved. You only got a couple more seconds, Jim. And good, stand tall. Now keep your hands on your hips. And never mess with a girl who's got her hands on her hips. Just thought I'd let you know that one, okay? Yeah, anyway. You're gonna turn to the side and look at the wall. Turn, yes, hold it. See, we females try to help you guys out with stuff like that, right? And then go the other side. And that goes for any woman. You meet a woman in a parking lot at Walmart and she's got her hand on her hips, just say sorry. And then rest up, good, good, good. All right, we're gonna turn around facing the wall. Hands up nice and high. You're gonna lift up one leg, then the other. Ready? And go. Lift, keep the leg straight, alternating. We got the clock on, 40 seconds. You can do anything for 40 seconds, Jim. Okay, keep the leg straight. Squeeze the cheek. I'm not talking about this cheek, it's that cheek right there. So hold it up for a second. Thinking about that strong, healthy back. And the nice butt. We don't get a nice butt by sitting on it, right? Right. Good. Perfect. You've got 10 more seconds. Squeeze the cheek, and then you're gonna do that wall stretch when we're done here, Jim. And one more. Good. Let's put the hands up a little higher on the wall. Keep the feet under the hips. Tuck your chin to your chest. Sink your butt back. And hold that. Doesn't that feel delicious? I love to use that word delicious with my stretches that are nice and delicious. And perfect. All right, Jim, we have one more. Okay? One more little sequence here. We're going to step front, together, side, and back. You can even snap and do a jiggy. Okay? Ready? Front, side, perfect. Yes. Front, look at this. Boy, you've come a long way with the balance thing. That's amazing. Love it. Balance is just like anything else. In this coordination, it gets better with practice. And switch sides. Good. So be consistent. As I said, these are the kind of movements you can do every day, even twice a day. So front, yep. Side, that's it. And we're listening. Tell us what you like, maybe what you'd like to see. One more, and rest. All right, one of Jim's favorite moves now, the yoga. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Shoot up like a rocket, reach up, and have your biceps by the ears the best you can. 1 foot in front of the other, get that back heel. Pretend you're a tree, you're reaching up. Yes, hold it right there, stomach tight. And that's 5, 4, breathing in your nose. Out your mouth. One more breath. Let's do it. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Okay, switch your feet. Okay, so 2 big breaths. Breathing in through the nose. Hold your breath. Breathe out through the mouth. Put your weight heavy on the back heel. Breathe in through the nose. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Perfect. All right, Jim, let's bring those feet together. And I'd like to know, how do you feel from today's workout? What do you think?
Just fine. Yep.
Just
good.
fine. Awesome. So remember, keep taking your medicine with us, because movement's medicine, motion is...
Motion.
There you go. Thanks for joining Coach Kim and Dr. Jim.